Good afternoon, folks. Welcome aboard Cairngorms Funicular Railway. As this is a moving vehicle for your own safety, we recommend you hold on throughout your journey. There's nothing to do with me being a female driver. Now we're just waiting for carriage 2 to start moving down the mountain. They have to do that to pull us up. The journey will now take approximately 7 minutes. as you look up the track. Make your way up the stairs and out through the gate. That leads you through to the Ptarmigan restaurant on level 4 and to the outside viewing terrace. You go into the restaurant and down to the left, that takes you down to level 3, the viewing terrace. Down the stairs on the right you have the toilets, then on level 2 is the shop at the top with interactive sandboxes, and right down at the bottom on level 1 there's a massive panoramic screen showing a film about the mountains. And that is also the level for the lower part of the viewing terrace. The carriages are running round roughly every 15 minutes, so you're welcome to come back down on any carriage. And because we do have the Cairngorm conservation system in place, there is no egress onto the mountain from the building or from the viewing terrace unless you're booked on one of our guided activities, and you'll either be with your guide or you'll meet your guide up on the top platform up behind the Hare on level 4. Level 4 is also the platform for your return journey. And because we do have the Cairngorm conservation, I think I've told you that one, haven't I? There's no drone flying permitted up here. Anyway, enjoy your visit.